In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable speaker view on Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and the layout on your screen doesn't look the way you want, don't worry. Zoom gives you a few different viewing options, and switching to speaker view is very simple once you know where to look. Speaker view is helpful because it automatically makes the person who is currently talking appear as the main focus on your screen. This can make meetings, classes, and presentations much easier to follow, especially when several people are on the call. To get started, look toward the upper right corner of your Zoom meeting window. In that area, you should see a grid icon. This icon controls the way participants are displayed on your screen. If you're currently seeing multiple people at the same time in equal-sized boxes, you're most likely in a gallery or grid-style layout already, which means you're in the right place to make the change. Go ahead and click on that grid icon in the top right corner. After clicking it, Zoom will show you layout options that let you choose how you want the meeting to appear. This menu is designed to help you quickly switch between different views without leaving the meeting or changing any other settings. From the available options, click on Multi-Speaker View. Once you select it, Zoom will adjust the layout so that the active speakers are emphasized more clearly. Depending on your Zoom version and meeting setup, the display may highlight the main person speaking while still allowing you to keep track of other participants as well. This makes it a useful option when you want a more dynamic and presentation-friendly meeting view. If the screen doesn't change immediately, give it a moment and make sure the meeting window is active. In some cases, the exact appearance may vary slightly, depending on whether you're using the desktop app, a browser, or a different screen size. But the main idea is the same. Use the grid icon in the upper right corner, then choose the speaker-focused view option. And that's all it takes to enable speaker view on Zoom. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and easy your meetings are to watch. Once you know where that layout control is, you can switch views anytime based on what works best for you.